Hey guys, it's Sharika. Welcome back to my channel. So happy Monday to everybody. I hope everybody's having a good day so far. I just finished doing my makeup. I use my infallible 24-hour fresh wear today, and this is in color 540. I don't really use this that much. I probably had this for probably like 2 months, but y'all know I like to use the infallible pro matte. This is the one that I like to this is the one that I like to use, and this one is in the color brown suede 113, but this one is in the color 540. I don't really, oh, I'm close. Goodness, y'all all in my space. I think I don't even really know what the difference is besides, oh, this one's not matte, but it still look good. I like it. This is my no makeup look, so I like it. So I think I'll probably use this a little bit today. I need to clean out my makeup drawer so I can see exactly all the makeup and foundation that I have. I'm getting ready to curl my hair because I have to record a mukbang today. All right, y'all, so I'm making some mashed red potatoes today. I'm gonna leave the skin on. I'm gonna just chop these up randomly. I probably don't even have to do them in squares, but because I'm gonna do something really fancy today. Hopefully it turned out right. The only thing is I don't have like a green vegetable, so I'll probably just do like a salad or something. All right, so here's the setup. So I have some butterfly shrimp, a little small lobster tail, and then I have my salmon right here. I like to cook my salmon in foil and put it in the oven, so that's what I'm getting ready to do with this. And then I really don't know how I'm gonna cook this. I might cook it in a pan, so I'm just gonna wing it really. So we'll see how this turns out. I'm gonna cook one shrimp first to see if this will work and I can get my shrimp to look like I want them to look. So that will be today's mukbang. So of course I'll show you guys what it looks like when I'm done. My mashed potatoes are already done. So all right, y'all, look what came in the mail. Tony's computer, because he's been using mine, but y'all know I need my computer, so we ordered him one and it finally came today. So it's the HP 14-inch laptop. So I'm gonna go ahead and still wipe it down. Y'all see I got on my gloves because I had to grab that box from outside, but yeah, this is his new computer. Are you happy? Yep. You can do the honors. Oh, this boy is so happy. Stop playing, just open it. This is not his first laptop, by the way. This is actually his second laptop. The first laptop he ruined.
I didn't do it. I left it in y'all room.
No.
And something happened to it. Y'all must have stepped on it. I missed that laptop. But it was already damaged from like ravioli. Because I was addicted to ravioli back then.
Oh. Oh, it's so beautiful.
Oh, look at that.
So I'm done cooking. I didn't like the way that the shrimp turned out, so I have to try that a couple of times before I put it on my channel. But I ended up just doing swapping the shrimp out for some king crab, and I cooked it on, this is what I cooked it on. So I got like the grill marks. Excuse all this mess because it's a mess right now, but this is how the food turned out. So I did the mashed potatoes. If you guys have ever been to J. Alexander, y'all know how they stack all their mashed potatoes up, so that's how I did that. There's the salmon, and then here's the king crab. Looks so good. And then this is just my dipping sauce, my little Florida butter, and I just added a little bit of that on the top of the king crab and the salmon. So yeah, I like the way that it looks. Everything looks delicious and it tastes great. I don't have a vegetable. I wish I did, but I don't. So this will be my mukbang today. So I'm just gonna pop a lemon on here, and that'll be it for today. So now I'm just on YouTube trying to figure out how to make a really pretty little garnish with the lemon, not just a lemon wedge. I want to do something a little fancy, so I'm gonna learn how to do that today. So we'll see. I'm gonna try this. All right, here's my little garnish. So I think it turned out good. So I'm gonna go ahead and sit it on the warmer, finish getting ready, and do my mukbang. Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. De-shelled seafood boil. I have some king crab legs here. I also have some salmon and mashed potatoes. This is a tequila sunrise. So pretty. Dip. Oh yes. Just finished my mukbang. I probably got food all over my shirt. The food was so good. I don't even really remember exactly what I did to the sauce, but it was perfect for that grilled taste that the crab legs had. It was so good. So now I'm getting ready to edit the video and then upload and schedule the video to go out at about 6:30. So y'all, I'm getting ready to make myself some tea. And quick update on the peach detox tea. It's pretty good. It's not my favorite, but it's pretty good. I will buy this again. So I'll have, oh, am I all out of my regular detox? Yes, I'm all out. So I think I'll do green tea and lemon ginger. Y'all know I'm in love with ginger tea, so that's what I'll be having, my lemon ginger tea. Yes, we still looking crazy. It's not gonna change. Y'all, look how pretty Courtney looks on the cover of this health magazine. She looks so pretty. All right, y'all, so I'm super bored. I'm done with everything that I'm supposed to do today, so I decided to make a cocktail. So let's make another quarantini, but this time I'm gonna wing it. It's something that I've never had before, so I'm just gonna throw some stuff together, see if I like it. I don't have a lot of different garnishes, and I don't have a lot of options with my juices and stuff like that because we need to go to the store to get that stuff. So I'm gonna use what I have in here and see what we can come up with. So, a little fly or something. Get your glass. And I'm getting ice. Ice. I'm gonna just fill it up with ice. Okay, fill that with ice, and then I'm going to use some of this sweet and sour mixer. And remember, we're doing this together, y'all, so I have no idea if this is gonna, how this is gonna taste. So put about that much. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of the Trop 50. Gonna add about that much. And then we're gonna do Jose Cuervo. We're gonna do a full shot. We're gonna add a shot of the triple sec. Like half is good. Pour it in. And then here. I'm cutting the lemon, sorry. All right, and then we're just gonna add a lemon. Now we're gonna taste it. Let me get my straw. I'm gonna mix it up. Usually I'll put it in my little mixer, but oh man, I lost my lemon. All right, we're gonna mix. Let me rinse this off. It look cute. I don't have any cherries, strawberries, none of that stuff. So let's see how it tastes. It tastes okay. It needs a little work. Cheers.